Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing this squishy dumpling. I already took off the packaging, but I never opened the dumpling, so I'm so excited. Okay, you guys look first. I'm closing my eyes. What is it, guys? What is it? Oh my god, it's the pink! This is so cute. I love it. Okay. Also, I have a friend, Aria, here with me. I'm going to take the camera so she can do something with the dumpling.
Is my god. By the way, check out my channel. It's Arya Heart. It's Heart 1 2 3 4. Like it's 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 4. I forgot. And if you like cat's eye, then you should go check out my channel and like squishies. But oh my god, looks like good. So this is the package. So, okay, wait, I'm gonna like kind of recreate the movement again, okay? Okay. Let's do this. Then, well, how did I even fit this? There's so much air on this stuff, not so hot. But I'm getting the same thing. But I don't know which color I'm gonna get. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got this one. Okay, it's actually so cute. And, yes. Oh, okay, now we have a wait, okay, yeah. Okay, bye guys.
Bye!